In this video, we listed the 5 best folding electric bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. VEEFA F1 Electric Bike. The VEEFA F1 folding electric bike is a versatile and convenient option for riders of all ages, with a sleek and modern design that is easy to fold and transport on buses or subways. It features a powerful 499 Wh lithium-ion battery that can provide up to 60 miles of riding per charge, along with a 750 W peak motor for effortless city riding and hill conquering. The bike comes with 3 riding modes, including pure electric, pedal assist, and classic bike mode. It is equipped with reliable components such as excellent suspension, 20-foot, puncture-resistant fat tires, dual-disc brake system, and high-performance gear system. The bike also prioritizes safety with features like bright LED headlights, rear reflectors, and UL 2849 certification for the entire bike. With adjustable seat and handlebar, it is suitable for riders with a height range of 5 foot 0 inch-6, 2. Number 2. Gotrax 20-inch folding electric bike. The Gotrax R1 electric bike is designed for adults and offers powerful riding performance with a 500W motor and 20-inch *2.6 tires. It has a foldable and portable design, making it convenient for commuting and outdoor adventures. The bike features a smart display for easy access to ride data, a 48V 7.8R battery with a range of up to 25 miles, and reliable components such as dual disc brakes for safety. With 3 riding modes and a 365-day part assurance, the Gotrax R1 provides versatility, convenience, and peace of mind for riders. Number 3. Vivi Electric Bike. The Vivi electric bike is a foldable adult bike with a 500W high-speed brushless motor and a removable 48V lithium-ion battery, providing speeds up to 22 miles per hour and a range of 44 to 50 miles in assisted mode. It features a 21-speed transmission system, front and rear disc brakes, and double shock absorption for a smooth ride on various terrains. The bike also includes a smart LCD display, 3+1 riding modes, and a lightweight aluminum alloy frame that folds for easy storage. Additionally, it comes with a 1-year guarantee on the electric motor, battery, and charger, and arrives 90% assembled for quick setup. Number 4. ANCHEER Folding Electric Bike. The ANCHEER 14-inch folding electric bike is designed for adults and offers a practical and flexible transportation solution for urban areas. With a powerful 500W motor, it can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and has an extended range of 20 to 50 miles on a single charge. The bike features triple shock absorption for a smooth and comfortable ride, along with thoughtful design elements such as adjustable seat height and high brightness front and rear lights for night riding safety. Additionally, the LCD display provides essential information and the bike is equipped with smart cruise control. Its foldable frame and lightweight design make it easy to carry and transport, and the bike comes 95% pre-assembled for effortless installation. Number 5. Gotrax Nano 14-inch electric bike. The Gotrax 14-inch electric bike is a lightweight and portable option for effortless commuting and leisure riding. With a powerful 350W motor, it can reach speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour, and its foldable design makes it perfect for urban environments with limited space. The bike features a 36V 7.8R lithium battery, offering a range of 25 km per 15.5 miles in pure electric mode and 40 km per 25 miles in pedal assist mode. Safety features include dual disc brakes, LED headlight, rear reflector, and a display panel showing the remaining charge. Overall, it's a convenient and versatile electric bike suitable for daily commutes, campus or park riding, and other adventures.